Your lease is ending, so what's next? Whether you're ready for something new or exploring your options, we're here to help you move forward with clarity and confidence. When your lease ends, you can lease or buy a new GM vehicle, purchase your current vehicle, or return it. Let's walk through each option. If you're ready for something new, this is your moment. Explore the latest GM models and upgrade to a vehicle that fits your evolving lifestyle. From SUVs and trucks to electric vehicles and luxury sedans, you'll gain access to new features, enhanced fuel efficiency, and advanced safety technology. It's your chance to drive something that fits your life today and tomorrow. And when you stay with GM Financial, expect a smooth and streamlined experience with potential loyalty perks. Getting started is easy. Visit our current offers page to explore available deals or connect with your originating GM dealer to discuss options. Love your current vehicle? Keep the comfort, confidence, and familiarity you trust by making it yours for good. To purchase your vehicle, visit your originating dealership or request a quote in My Account. You can also explore a lease buyout or financing options through Mode by GM Financial at getmode.com. If you choose to return your leased vehicle at the end of your term, here's what you'll need to do. Schedule a free pre-return inspection on our lease-end page at gmfinancial.com to check for excess wear or mileage. Review your lease-end checklist in My Account or the Document Center to know what to bring and how to prepare your vehicle. And finally, bring your vehicle to a GM dealership, sign the check-in receipt and odometer statement, and keep copies for your records. Once your return is complete, you will receive a lease-end liability invoice within 30 to 45 days, so you know exactly where things stand. Need more help? Check out our frequently asked questions or browse our lease-end guides at gmfinancial.com for more details and step-by-step support. So what's your next move? Are you going to lease or buy a new GM vehicle, purchase your current one, or return what you have? Explore your options early so you can navigate this process with confidence. Whatever you choose, GM Financial is with you every mile and ready to support your next chapter.